Welcome everybody to the Dizzy Cap Convoy. This is an event I set up to mark the second anniversary of the YouTube channel. It was an absolutely wicked event. I ended up having such a good reception to the idea that I had to limit tickets, which was absolutely bonkers position to be in. So a massive shout out to all you guys out there who support me on the channel, but also on my other social media. A huge shout out to everybody that came along to Boho for the meet at the end point of the convoy. And also, obviously, thanks so much to everybody that came out for the convoy itself. It was absolutely wicked to have you along. Now with no further ado, let's get on and let's have a little look at what turned up and where the convoy took us on the Dizzy Cap Convoy 2023. Made it to the meet point. Loads of people already here, just handing out a few bits and pieces. What an absolutely cracking turnout. Absolutely lovely day, blue skies as well. And we've got some serious cars to have a look around today. Gonna go and say hello, make sure I've got around everybody, and let's get this convoy rolling. That is a beautiful bit of road, isn't it? Whoa! You're putting bends in that don't exist! You're crazy, man! Oh, that is a sweet ribbon of tarmac. Yeah.
Only folk from the road, I've left my mic in the boot. I'll get it for the next section. I'm sorry. Blue skies and some absolutely wicked cars. It's just spot on.
It's going
just
well.
Spot on. We've had a bit of a now with the photography idea at the moment, but there's another good section after the first stop, so hopefully we'll get some good shots on that. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. We'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Take it easy. I completely forgot my camera stand! Lozelle! Lozelle's along for the ride! He wasn't going to come because his boot is not ready, but then we got a spare seat! So, Lozelle's come along.
Hanging along.
Yes!
Still in that second seat.
I'll tell you what, we need to put this hard top back on or this soft top back on.
It's annoying.
It's well annoying!
We need
I
the
love
cap.
this car, but this is
Cap
annoying.
made it. Stop number one. Oh, crikey, nerves are going, but we've got some absolutely wicked cars. Let's have a little look around what we've got. Yay! two absolutely wicked Capris, Mark II and a Mark III here. Both came on the Capri cruise last year, video on the channel, little plug if you want to go and watch it, I'll leave the link in the description below. But absolutely wicked to see some Capris out. Obviously, I've got a little bit of a hankering for Capris. Massive shout out to David from Boho Bakery hosting our endpoint, and this is a beautiful M3. Hopefully see it on the channel sometime soon. Car for a long time. Check that out. Very cool little mini GT. Follow on Instagram. For a little while we finally managed to beat Dan. Dan. What a motor. You coming on camera for a minute?
I can do. Can do. We've got a little photo booth set up by Mel from 92 Automotive, who's come along to do the photography. Massive thanks to you for coming out today.
No problem.
It's absolutely wicked to have you. And yeah, we'll just get a few pictures. Well, I'm getting clips of these cars in an awesome location. Check it out. You literally can't ask much more than that, can you? Some absolutely wicked cars. We're just going to start off on the second leg now to go and get some more awesome driving roads done and make our way up to Boho Bakery for the final spot of the night. Engines purring, all ready to go. Look at this lot, this crazy bunch. Section only just. Traffic was horrendous and my van went to pot very, very quickly. I think we managed to get all the cars. Wait, Dolomite, stop it! So we're en route. We're almost at Boho. We're almost there. I think we managed to get shots of all the cars. It was absolutely wicked. So absolutely fantastic job to Mel from 92 Automotive. make sure please to go and check out all the social media for her, all down in the description below as well, and we'll catch up with you guys when we get to Boho and we have a little look around all the cars, and also a few bits and pieces which might be turning up just to meet us there. Very cool little Mark IV GTI, Archer GTI on Instagram is Mel's Pride and Joy. We'll be seeing this on the channel soon enough. What a beast. Perfect balance between looking proper monster and being too overstated. Just quality, and what a noise it makes too. Amazing. MX-5's done me proud. Good fun little car. Nick the Legend rolling out. What a wicked car.
And then the convoy was over, and he was ready for beer o'clock.
In all honesty, it is over. Boho Bakery has been absolutely fantastic as always, as has Mel from 92 Automotive. Please make sure to go and check out the social media. All the links to those are in the description below, and I'll catch you on the future episode of the Dizzy Cap Car Show. Take it easy. What an absolutely amazing event and day. It was absolutely cracking to see some wicked cars, and to get that sort of variety of cars on a little event like this is absolutely wicked. Thanks so much again to everybody that came out. Another couple of big shout outs. Firstly to Boho Bakery for hosting the end point of the meet. Is absolutely cracking of you. A really nice spot just outside Stroud. Loads of car things going on, as well as loads of other events, but also just an open cafe throughout the week. So make sure to go and check them out on social media, but go and grab a coffee too. It's a really, really nice location. David, the owner of Boho, brought his M3 out, and that was absolutely wicked to see you out and about and see that car too. Hopewell Colliery was the first stop point where we just grabbed a coffee and a couple of photos, so thanks so much to you guys for having us along for today's convoy. And then last but definitely not least is Mel from 92 Automotive. I've mentioned a few times in the video, but she does such a cracking job of the photographs of the events that she does. Now as Dizzy Cap is the official partner, she said that she'd come along and support the event, and she took some absolutely wicked photos. So make sure to go over to 92.biz, and that'll take you to a website where you can find the full album of the convoy. Mel does loads and loads of different bits and pieces, loads of different events, so keep an eye out for where she is throughout the season, but also she'll do private photo shoots of cars and things like that, as well as a gift voucher style thing that you can get off the website as well. So please do make sure to go and support her and check her out. We did end up having a collection for a charity that Mel supports throughout the year. That is Mind UK, the mental health charity, and we managed to raise £70 in donations in the day, which is absolutely amazing. That's absolutely wicked of you guys for donating, and does just show our appreciation for her coming out and for her time. The other event that I've got this year is the Dizzy Cap Social. I'll leave links to the event ticketing page down below in the description. Make sure to go and check it out. It's at New Manor Farm at Chew Valley Lake. That's on the 30th of September. It'd be absolutely wicked to have a similar variety, if not even better variety, at the social than there was at the convoy. If you can make it along, it'd be absolutely wicked to see you there. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your support, and I'll catch you again on the Dizzy Cap Car Show.
Natural. Act natural.
Look around some and we have a little look.